What's up guys, today I've been really quiet because I'm hiding my brother's match attacks in the fridge. Okay, I said I was gonna throw them out in the bin. I'm actually gonna throw them in the fridge. Throw them in the fridge. There we go. I should do it a bit higher. I'll see you outside. Okay, welcome back up, guys. Today it's my like you know, those kids when they play football, they just take videos of it. Oh, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I actually have a goal, so I'm just gonna be like, you know, kicking the ball, like, you know, just kicking the ball with some skill, because I'm way better than my brother. He goes to football club, and I still beat him in matches. So yeah. Also, I was doing fireworks, and I was black water coming outside from one of the fireworks. Okay, let me just go to football. I think I should set the camera somewhere. Okay, let me just set it there. There. Can you guys see me? Okay. I would actually go inside, but I didn't go inside this time because I had a weird dream. It was about, well, for you guys only, but someone put worms on my head and they threw me inside a bush of worms. Then one went inside my mouth and it was disgusting. Okay, guys, my ball's a bit muddy, but as you can see, it's the best ball in the world. Don't fall down. My phone nearly fell down. Jesus. So my ball's Sondiko, if that's how you say it or pronounce it. Sondiko. I don't really give a damn, but look, Sondiko. Oh my god, so tired. Yay. Oh no! Ooh. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see that? Did you see how far it was to going behind that fence? Guys, oh my god, did you see that? Jeez. Oh my god. It was so close. It was literally, let me just get past if I can. It literally hit here and then bounced back. Oh my gosh, and that place, and I can't go behind there because it's blocked off right now. Oh my god, Jesus. Okay, let me just climb up this pole to see if to show you that I'm actually not allowed to go past. Okay guys, I'm on the top. Look how close it was. Literally, and look. These are slanted. See that, like that? So there's more of a chance of it going this side. On this side. Oh my gosh, that was so close. Oh my god, that was actually so close. See, look. It's blocked off. I'm not allowed to go past. That's so close. Let me just get down, guys. Tiring. Ugh. You stop bullying me. You know what? I'm going to put you outside. There you go. Bye-bye, Mr. Leaf. Say your goodbyes. Bye-bye, everybody. Yay. There you go. It's gone. Do you like my plants? Perfect, right? Yeah. This is like a giant. It's going to turn into a palm tree, I think. Yeah, and this is the raspberry bush, and this video is getting a bit too out of hand. So, yeah, let me one more shot, guys, because I'm not really a football person, but hey, I'm doing it for you. Oh my god, what did I just do? Okay, let me just hide it. Just hide it quickly. Sorry, Woodlouse. Oh my god, how do I fix this? How do I fix this? Oh! Okay, sorry. Sorry for my Mickey Mouse impression. But, oh, everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. I know, it's not that good, but rate it out of 5. I'm going to rate that like a 3. Okay, let me just miss this. Maybe 2 more shots. 2 more shots. Just hope my phone does not fall down in the gap again. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see. Not sure if you guys can actually see me playing football, but I'm just gonna assume that you can. Ugh. Oh my god, Ronaldo takes a goal! I know, I'm not that good at football, but you know, that's gonna be it for the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I nearly fell! Guys, I nearly fell! Oh my god! I'm not even lying there. Is he fixed? Let's add more water. Yeah, okay guys. Hey, get off me, fly. Okay, bye guys. See you next video. Let me see if I can turn it off.